Hi, I'm Korby Banner. Welcome to my makeover, my friend Hugh. I'm refining her foundation a little. Here's her before. The first thing I'm going to do is darken her eyebrows for a little drama. I'm using eyeshadow, but I'm taking some measurements to make sure I reference the bone structure and create a good design. Two colors of shadow, light and dark brown, is all I'm going to use. Then I'm going to apply some frosted highlighter on the inner part of the lid to create luminescence. And under the eyebrow as well, to create contrast to the eyebrow and add drama. I'm going to stroke some liquid eyeliner at the very base of the eyelashes with a slight upward tick. And don't worry if you don't get it perfect, you can fix it with some eyeshadow over top, and it'll also help make it smoky. Applying some gray pencil from underneath and set it with a light lavender shadow, half as dark as the upper lid. It'll keep it youthful looking. Apply some eyeshadow against the outer third of the eye against the eyeball and blend it into the crease with a medium tone shadow. And apply the darkest plum shadow at the outer corner and create a little flick to create a bit of crease on the eye. Apply some blush on the apple of the cheek and the temple to create luminescence, and blend to create an all-over glow to the entire face. I'm taking the edge of the eyeshadow off with a little blush, and it'll also add warmth and kindness to the expression, demarcation, and give a healthy glow. A little frosted highlighter on the cheekbone. Take a measurement from the center of the nostril for the lip peaks, make a little V. Connect the outer corners with liner. Swing a pendulum from above to create a nice arc. Blend out the corners and connect them perfectly. Blend. Fill in the entire top lip with liner so that it lasts longer and gives more depth. Fill in the bottom with gloss and a soft pink. A little pout, a little smile. Check on the camera to get a proof. I think we're going to need some drama. Let's go for some false eyelashes. Before and after. Thank you, Hugh, for your lovely face and beautiful energy. And thank you all for watching, and be sure to tune into my YouTube channel for more videos like this. It's Korby Banner. Bye.